How to buy from TikTok Shop step by step. First of all, you simply have to go ahead and launch the TikTok application, and then you can simply tap the Shop tab on your main menu bar, usually at the bottom or the top of your home screen. However, this feature is not yet available within my region, but if it is in yours, you simply have to tap on the shopping bag icon. Now, once you tap on it, you simply have to find yourself that exact product, and you can also browse by category and view the flash sales as well. Once you review the item and details by tapping on it, you simply have to now claim available coupons and discounts, and then proceed to tap the buy now or add to cart if you want to shop for more items from that storefront. Now you enter your full shipping and delivery address and select your payment method and verify the final breakdown summary to ensure your coupons are applied correctly. Then tap the place order. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.